Here I have ALCATEL Pop C2 and let me show you how to set the screen lock protection on the following device, so how to set up the pattern lock on the following ALCATEL smartphone. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, tap apps icon, then let's find and select the settings right here, scroll down and under security, let's choose the security, choose setup screen lock. Now you have to decide either you would like to use slide, pattern, pin or password. In my case, let me choose pattern. For me it's most convenient one. Let's draw your unlock pattern. Tap continue. Let's do it again just for confirmation. Tap confirm. And that's it. Now you can change some settings about your screen lock, or you can simply use it by pressing the power key. And right now, if you would like to use your device, you need to enter the pattern. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.